Kilicho, hope everyone's good. Come down to the little spot by the stream. Gonna have some lunch. Might be coming here next week. Been having the first camp of 2020. So I need to clear this out a little bit. There's a trench there I need to level out, it's going to be a lot of work. All these sticks to clear as well. Got tons of firewood though. I've got the Norwegian Ludwig as well. Also going to do an EDC video while I'm here, but I'll upload that as a separate video after this one. So for today I've got the German mess kit. I got a new cup as well, enamel one. It's a Iwaki brand. It's really thick steel, so it should get a lot of years. Might outlast me. And it's got an Iwaki there, means garden tree in Japanese. And just the classic version of the noodles I had before. So I've also got the Lixada titanium stove. Writing's worn off so you can't see it. And I'm going to be using the Dutch Army stainless steel cup as a kettle with the Ibasingo titanium lid. So let's get cracking with the knacking. Just the same as the other ones. Half a cup of water. Bring that to a boil. I'll do the tea in the kettle. Come back when that's boiled. So I've just done my EDC update. So we'll see how much water's left in here. It's supposed to be all boiled out, but I'm just gonna... Yeah, it looks perfect. I'm gonna have it like that. Problem is the instructions are for like a household pan, which is flatter and got more space than that. And obviously that's not one, so you pretty much just got to guess how much water to put in, but you're supposed to boil the water until there's none left. That looks about right, so we'll give it a go. So we'll get the tea on. I got some tea that a friend in Kyoto sent us, so we'll give that a go. Well, I've already had it before, so I know it's good. Just gonna use a cup. And then a little extra just for evaporation. In hindsight, I should have brought the Pathfinder lid because it's got the drain holes on it. Would have been better for what I'm going to do, because you're supposed to boil the... not boil, but after the water's boiled, you let it cool down a little bit and then you put the tea leaves in. And the holes would have acted like a strainer. Don't matter though, all taste the same. And the tea leaves sink to the bottom of the cup as well, so you're not inhaling the tea leaves every time you get a drink. So let's give these a go. Pretty good. Not as good as the teriyaki ones, but they're still really good. See where we're at with this. Almost there. I'm not even going to bother testing to see if the handles are hot. Spotty dog. Doesn't matter about the few leaves.
Nice.
That's my little lunch by the stream, or creek, or whatever you want to call it video. Did my little ADC update as well. So I've got nothing else to say. Thanks for watching. Karimita arigato and asfidanya, auf Wiedersehen, Havart, bye bye.